model, 67 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 1.6 Cdti starts runs needs turbo Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 11,231. MOT, the 29th of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.695 pse6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs fine but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van.